Welcome! So glad you're here. Today, let's make wholesome zucchini veggie patties in the air fryer. Start with one medium zucchini. Cut it in half so it's easier to handle. Grate both halves on a coarse grater. Zucchini is such a favorite around here. Add it to a deep bowl. Next, peel a potato. One large or two small potatoes are just right. Grate the potato on the coarse grater. You'll feel the starch on your fingers right away. Perfectly normal. What veggies do you love cooking most? Let me know below. It means so much to share this space with you. Your favorites always inspire new recipes. Add the grated potato to the zucchini. Sprinkle salt generously over the veggies. This helps them release extra water. Mix well and let rest for 20 minutes. Peel a carrot. It adds such a gentle sweetness to the mix. Don't you just love this peaceful, meditative moment? Grate the carrot on the same grater. Hope you're enjoying this as much as I am. Cooking is pure relaxation for me. Your support and your likes mean so much to me. They truly inspire me to keep sharing my favorite recipes with you. Almost done with the carrot, one is plenty. Place it in a separate bowl. Now, time for leek. Slice it in half, then cut into long strips. Chop into small pieces. Leek has such a delicate, sweet flavor. I just adore it. Chop the other half as well. No leek? Red, shallot, or white onion works too. Look at these gorgeous green colors. Add the chopped leek to the carrots. Now, grab about 5 cloves of garlic. Chop them finely with a knife. You can use a grater or garlic press if you like. I like to give the garlic an extra chop, but that's up to you. All set. Add the garlic to the veggie bowl. Chop up some fresh parsley. Add in dill, basil, or cilantro if you love them. A mix of fresh herbs is always a good idea. Add all the herbs to the veggies. 20 minutes have passed. Zucchini and potato have released their water. Squeeze out the extra liquid from them. Add them to the other veggies. Don't skip this step. Really squeeze out as much water as you can. That's what helps the patties hold together beautifully. Add half a cup of all-purpose flour. Sift the flour right into the bowl. Sifting helps keep the batter smooth. Add half a cup of breadcrumbs as well. Next, crack in 2 large eggs. Mix it all together well. The aroma is simply wonderful. Add salt to taste. Add a pinch of dried oregano for that herby flavor. A little smoked paprika gives a wonderful depth. And just a pinch of cumin to finish. Add 1 cup of grated hard cheese. Mozzarella, Parmesan, or your favorite hard cheese works beautifully. Mix until everything is combined. Check the batter, it should be thick and hold its shape. Beautiful. Brush parchment paper with olive oil. Using a sprig of rosemary for brushing adds a special touch. Spoon the veggie batter onto the parchment. If your air fryer is smaller, bake in 2 batches. Let's get baking. Set your air fryer to 180 degrees Celsius, about 360 degrees Fahrenheit, and cook for 20 minutes. Slice some cherry tomatoes for serving. Cherry tomatoes are my favorite, but any kind will work. Chop some green onion for the yogurt sauce. Use your favorite herbs too, it'll be delicious. After 20 minutes, take out the finished patties. Wow, such a beautiful golden color and a tempting aroma. These patties are best with yogurt. Be sure to add chopped herbs to the yogurt. Arrange the sliced tomatoes on your plate. Finish with your wholesome veggie patties. Perfect for a hearty, healthy lunch or dinner. Hope you loved cooking with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you try these patties at home, I'd love to hear how they turned out for you in the comments below. Let's keep inspiring each other with wholesome homemade food. Take care, friends, and happy cooking!